Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your OPPO ENCO AIR3S with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. It should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it's not your first connection, let's say you wanna use dual connection to connect two devices simultaneously to your earbuds, you just press and hold on both of these touch areas for at least 3 seconds. And then you release your finger and you would see earbuds at the device list. Now click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!